Okay, this is how you make the little pot Christmas tree ornament. This is just what he looks like. He's got a little pot face and a hook on him to hang on your tree. Here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a little pot. You can get these from Michael's. They're about 59 cents. They have a hole in the bottom. They're just a little clay pot. You're also going to need a button. You're going to need some googly eyes, some Sharpie markers, and some glue. We're going to use a hot glue gun, but you can use tacky glue if you'd like. And then you're going to need some ornament hooks. The long ones work really good. Or you're going to need some string. Either one. You don't need both of the ornament hooks and the string, but one or the other. Okay? And here's what you do. First thing you need to do is pick up your little pot, and we're going to put a face on them. So you're going to take your glue and just put a dab of glue right on the top and stick your two little googly eyes right there, side by side, and he's got eyes. And then you're going to draw his face. Just give him a little round circle for a nose and a little smile face. Very good. Okay. Very good. Then you have your little pot. And then you're either going to use string or an ornament hook, and you're going to select a button. Flat buttons work really nice. You can use the one with little hooks on them or the holes, 2 holes or 4 holes, it doesn't matter. And you're either going to string your, put your string through the holes, like so. Just thread it right through and pull it up. You have 2 ends coming up. Or you're going to put your hook in through the holes and hook it at the bottom. Like so. Okay? So either and it's just bend the hook so it's just real tight right there on the bottom. Just like that. Okay, then you're going to take the top of your hook or the top of your string and feed it up through the bottom of your pot into the inside till your button hits flat against the bottom of the pot, just like that. And just to secure it, you want to take another little spot of glue and put it on the bottom of your pot so the button will adhere to the bottom of the pot and be nice and tight. Okay. And then if you're using the string, you just tie it up at the top together so you have a loop to put around your branch, your tree branch. Or if you've used the hook, then you already have a nice little hook that you can hook it right to the top of the tree. Okay? Alright, should we take them over and hang them on the tree? Let's go. Alright, so then we just come over to our Christmas tree and find a nice spot to hang it to and hook it right on the branch. Nice and tight. Okay, so there he is, hanging on the tree. And the one with the string can do the same, because you just have a nice loop. You can hook it right to the branch and hang him. So he'll be hanging right down there on the tree. And then you have little pot ornaments on your tree.